share with you a very simple and easy way of making Indian biryani in African vision. Okay, so here is my basmati rice. So this is 1 kg basmati rice. So I'm going to cook this 2 kg of basmati rice because today is Friday. So my husband doesn't go to work, so his friends will lunch at our house. So this is my chopped onion. I chop them into small pieces, and this one is my chopped onion that I cut with this rubber spoon. And here is my chili, adrak and lasun paste. So yeah, this is paste one, and then this is dahi. This is my dahi. Okay, and then this is the main thing here, chicken biryani masala. Okay, so and this is Everest company. So this brand, I don't know, company in India is very famous. And then I'm going to use a bit of this also, biryani masala, Lucky brand. And then I have here some milchi that I have not, like milchi, yeah, green milchi. And then I have my chicken here, the main ingredient. I have my chicken here, and these are all washed and properly clean. This is 3 kg of chicken. Then this is my chicken hearts, so I have to separate them with the main because this one used to get so easily. And then this is my akka masalas, like garam masalas. So yeah, I'm going to be using this as well. And then this is my chopped tomatoes. Okay, and this is my hara dhania. Okay. I'm going to use this oil, okay, cooking oil. So let's get started.
Now I will just on the gas put on my pot where I will cook the soup, and in the other gas I will on it and put water there for my rice. Okay, now I will just let the pots to dry off in order to put the oil. Now put in the oil, I put my garam masala, onions, and then I will let the onion to fry to brown. Then I'm going to add my meat, chicken meat in it. So I'm going to mix them up, and then I will add my adrak, lasun and milchi paste, and then mix them very well and let it cook for some times. Then I will add my spices there. I add salt, haldi powder, turmeric, and then I will add red milchi. Then I will mix them very well and then let it cook for some time while my water is boiling. I will add Kashmiri lal milchi powder. This will help me to give me that color. I add my tomato chop as well, and then mix them very well and let them cook. I'll just wash my rice because the water is boiled. Then I will put the rice there, and then and let it cook. I will add 2 spoons of salt, and then mix it very well. And then now I'm going back to my vegetable. Okay, I will add some more spices there, mix it for a while, add my coriander leaf. You know, I loved coriander leaf. You know, that smell it give you. So yeah, I'll just mix it. You see how it looks, it's already yummy. Yeah, so see those things. Even my meats are already done, but still I'm going to make sure I follow all the process step by step. So now I think it's time to add dahi on it. So yeah, I'm just going to add my dahi, but make sure that your gas is slow, or you bring down the pot before adding dahi on it. That is the rule. So I'm just going to go ahead, add my dahi after mixing it up. And then I have put all the full pot of dahi in it while the gas is in slow flame. So now I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. So yeah. Okay, now you can see it's almost done, so I'm just going to add water and then add my milchi on it and then add some spices. Then after that, I think my rice also is done. I'm just going to take off the water. Now the rice is done, so this is also almost done. Just going to add some coriander leaf there. I loved coriander leaf, you know, that smell. And I'm going to just add my chicken heart there last. So yeah, I have done that. Add my curry patta leaves on it and add some black pepper to give him, you know, that African type, you know. Okay, and the rice is also done now, so this is also almost done. So I have this onion here that I have to fry to that crunchy onion fry. So I'm going to put the oil, let it, you know, get hot. Then I'm going to I'm going to fry this onion to a very crunchy fry type, so the, you know, to add it up when mixing up the biryani. Yeah, so the oil is hot now. I guess I'm going to put my onion on it and then start frying it. Okay, so I have added the onions, just going to mix them up and then let it fry. Okay, and yeah, ta-da, the bhaji is done also. Ooh, yummy. And the onion also is frying in this other side here. And then I'm just going to go there, remove all the rice from the container because I will need that big pot to mix up my biryani. So I'm just going to remove all the rice from it. And then yeah, wait, let us finish this. And yeah, and then the onions are also almost done, so I'm just going to let it fry for a few seconds. Okay, so now I have fried them and now it's fried and crunchy just like how I want it. So I'm just going to take it out and then yeah, done with it. So you can see all is done, just that crunchy fried onion. Okay, so now I'm just going to go there and then the pot is empty now, so I'm just going to take some gravy and then put it in the layer of the pot, add some chicken piece on it. Then after making the layer, then I'm going to add the rice on it. So I have make now the first layer of the, so now that is how I'm going to repeat the process again. I'm going to add some chicken piece, add some gravy on it, then put some coriander leaf and then put that crunchy onion fry on top of it. then make another layer of rice on top of it. So this is how the procedures is going to be continued. So you can see this other top is already filled up, and then there is still some rice and then some this. So I'm going to mix the left one in another separate pot. So let's get going, guys. So yeah, I have put this now in a slow flame gas and then cover it, let it hot. Okay, that will be the last process for this. Okay, so guys, I end up making this another pot also, though the problem now is my gravy was a little bit smaller and the rice was too much, but better still, this is the final pot. And then this left, I have left this thing for my hubby. Now he like to eat some of those separately, so yeah, I will just go and put this also in the gas to get heat. So why I will wash the pots and then take shower. Put them in slow gas, and then I'm going to continue my remaining things. Like my hubby also have come to check on it, so everything is done. So today they will not eat in our house. He's going out with his boys. They are going to take the food along. Thank you guys for watching.